Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, stop Windows Defender from automatically deleting your files in Windows 11, 10. Open Privacy and Security Settings. Click Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Add any folder. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.